so welcome back to yet another restocking video. So this one's a little bit shorter. So the first slime I have is called Watermelon Sorbet, and it smells so good. It smells just like sour watermelon candy, and it has a butter texture to it. Next is mint chocolate chip. So this one smells just like its name, and it has some black glitters in it, and it's very fun to poke. Next is banana Laffy Taffy, and a lot of guys already know this slime. So it smells just like bananas, and it has kind of a thick texture to it. And probably my favorite slime out of this whole restock is Fruit Loops, and this was Trick Cereal, but I got a scent that smells like Fruit Loops, so I decided to change the name. So this smells so good, you guys. It smells, oh my gosh, so good. And it's a very clicky slime, and I really like it. And the last and final slime is Blue Raspberry Icy, and it has that icy texture to it, and it also smells just like its name. So that's pretty much it for this very short restock video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I just wanted to thank everyone who has purchased from me. If you want to be one of those people, my store is linked in the description. See you guys in my next video. Bye!